Termite mud tubes on wooden fences or sheds in NYC suburbs usually mean you've got termites setting up shop nearby, so you gotta check it out fast. Okay, so first off, if you spot that mud-like patch between your fence panels or on your shed, don't just ignore it. Termites build these tubes to protect themselves while they travel between their colony and food sources, like your wood stuff. You want to poke the wood around the mud tube with something like a screwdriver or a scraper. If it's soft or hollow sounding, that's a red flag right there. Even if the wood seems fine, keep watching the area for new tubes or damage over the next couple of weeks. Also, termites don't usually build their tubes starting in mid-air. They typically come from the ground up, so a standalone mud patch might be something else, like mud dauber wasps. Scrape off the mud carefully. If you don't see bugs immediately, don't relax just yet because termites hide well inside wood. Calling a pro to inspect your shed or fence is smart, especially if you're not sure what you're dealing with. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with termite signs is ignoring those mud tubes because they think it's just dirt or something harmless. Don't do that. Those tubes are a clear signal of termite presence, so get it checked quickly. Another common problem is assuming the wood looks okay means no termites. Termites can hollow out wood underneath while the surface looks normal. Make sure to tap and poke the wood to check for hidden damage. Lastly, confusing mud dauber nests or other insect nests with termite tubes can mess things up. Mud dauber's nests are often standalone and don't connect to the ground like termite tubes do. If you're unsure, scrape it off and watch for bugs or call someone who knows what to look for. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find local contractors who really know their stuff and can deal with issues like termite inspections or repairs. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people needing their services, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right without the usual hassle.